Hi friends, welcome to Math Mind Logic. Let's start by taking 3 raised to the power x as a. Therefore, 3 raised to the power minus x becomes 1 by a. 9 a plus 1 by a is equal to 82. 9. Let's take a in denominator. A square plus 1 equal to 82. Now bring a to the right hand side. This becomes 9a square plus 1 equal to 82a. We have 9a square plus 9 as 82a. Bring everything to one side. This becomes a quadratic equation 9a square minus 82a plus 9 equal to 0. The equation to calculate roots of a, this will be minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here let's say roots are a1 and a2, which will be minus of b. Here b is minus 82 plus minus square root of b square, that means 82 square minus 4 into a, which is 9, and c, which is also 9. So 4 into 9 into 9 divided by 2a. Here a is 9, so 2 into 9. So roots of a1 and a2 will be 82 plus minus square root of 6724 minus 324 divided by 18. This will become 82 plus minus square root of 6400 divided by 18. So 82 plus minus square root of 6400 will be 80 divided by 18. Now we have values of a1 and a2. a1 will be 82 plus 80 divided by 18, and a2 will be 82 minus 80 divided by 18. a1 162 divided by 18 and a2 2 divided by 18. So a1 is 9 and we get a2 as 1 by 9. If you remember, initially we have taken 3 raised to the power x as a. Let's put both these values as 3 raised to the power x and 3 raised to the power x. If you solve for both of these equations, you get x as 2 and minus 2. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel.